How to fix Huawei mobile phone can't receive text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your network connection will works properly or not. After checking your network connection, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And again click on apps and then search here messages. Now click on messages and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back and check your software updates. Now click on system and updates and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset and then click on reset network settings and again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.